Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Genshin Impact. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Genshin Impact game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the login page. From this page, you will either need to enter your credentials, or if you have created your account using your Google, Facebook or Twitter accounts, you can click on the respective buttons. If you proceed forward using your social accounts, you will simply need to click on the Continue As button and allow access into your account to log in directly. If you choose to enter your credentials, just type in your email address within the first section and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the Login button and now you will be logged in to your account on Genshin Impact. You can tap on the screen to start your adventure and continue from where you left off previously. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Genshin Impact. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.